ZKsync just suffered a $5 million security breach, while a Trump advisor proposes turning tariff money into a national Bitcoin reserve. Meanwhile, Fartcoin is defying gravity as a whale drops $10 million, pushing it toward the symbolic $1 milestone. Welcome to Crypto Pulse, where we cut through the noise to deliver the market intelligence that matters. The crypto market shows signs of stabilizing after recent volatility. Bitcoin is holding above $84,000. Down just 0.7%, while Ethereum approaches $1,600, down 1.8%. Looking at sector performance, we're seeing dramatic rotation with DeFAI leading at an explosive plus 32.25% gain in just 24 hours. DEX tokens follow at plus 10.56%, while NFTs and modularity sectors show more modest gains. The Fear and Greed Index sits at 33.67, firmly in the fear zone, while funding rates show bearish sentiment, especially on Ethereum and Solana. Now to our top story. ZKsync has experienced a significant security breach when a hacker compromised an admin account and minted 111 million unclaimed ZK tokens, worth approximately $5 million. The attacker exploited the airdrop distribution contracts using the compromised admin wallet. While user funds remain safe and the core protocol is unaffected, the ZK token dropped 15 to 20% following the news. The team has confirmed no further exploits are possible and is working with exchanges to recover the stolen funds. A detailed post-mortem is expected within 48 hours. In a potentially game-changing development, Bo Hines, executive director of Trump's Digital Asset Advisory Committee, has proposed using import tariff revenue to build a national Bitcoin reserve. This budget-neutral initiative aims to accumulate Bitcoin for national reserves without increasing debt or imposing new taxes. If implemented, this would establish Bitcoin as a legitimate strategic asset alongside gold, potentially triggering similar moves by other nations. The administration has formed an interagency working group to evaluate strategies for building this reserve, marking a significant shift in U.S. economic policy toward digital assets. Now to something that perfectly captures crypto's paradoxical nature. While sophisticated protocols like ZKsync deal with security breaches, Fartcoin continues its remarkable ascent toward the symbolic $1 milestone. A single whale address purchased 11.21 million Fartcoin tokens, worth nearly $10 million at an average price of 89 cents. Now trading at 93 cents with a market cap approaching $930 million, Fartcoin has gained over 60% recently, despite broader market uncertainty. This same whale previously bought 13.39 million tokens at 61 cents and sold at 86 cents, netting a $3.33 million profit before re-entering the market. The DeFi sector deserves special attention today with its remarkable 32.25% gain. This perfect alignment between price action and mindshare suggests genuine market interest rather than manipulated movement. AI-powered DeFi applications are revolutionizing trading, yield optimization, and cross-chain liquidity management. This reflects a fundamental shift toward AI-enhanced financial infrastructure rather than speculative trading. Meanwhile, privacy tokens show modest gains of 1.64%, with exactly 1.64% mindshare, indicating market equilibrium in that sector. Looking ahead, key events to monitor include ZKsync's security post-mortem expected on April 17th, Trump tokens $412 million unlock scheduled for April 18th, Radium's launch lab release on April 18th, and the Ethereum Pectra upgrade approaching on May 7th. The market stands at a critical inflection point where security and trust are increasingly valued over speculative gains. The ZKsync exploit highlights ongoing security challenges in Layer 2 infrastructure, while the proposed strategic Bitcoin reserve represents a potentially transformative development for Bitcoin's institutional adoption. We're seeing a stark contrast between meme assets like Fartcoin defying gravity and sophisticated protocols facing security scrutiny. This paradox perfectly encapsulates the current state of the crypto market. That's your Crypto Pulse for today. I recommend auditing your holdings for exposure to protocols with centralized admin controls while considering your Bitcoin allocation strategy in light of potential nation-state accumulation. If you found this analysis valuable, hit subscribe and enable notifications to catch our next update in 12 hours. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you stay ahead of the crowd.